My country people, una welcome back to my channel today. Angel fans don't come out to come defend Angel over the accusation wey be say Sumag ex-girlfriend lay against her, and also Angel herself don't come out to come talk her own side of the story. So a few hours ago, a particular blogger wey they call QT Juice come out to come put out a picture of Soma and his ex-girlfriend wey be say they call Hilda. He and the girl don't date for 5 years. And for those of us who watch Big Brother Naija All Stars, Soma break up with that girl for stage after they evict them that Sunday. People come dey complain to say why these two people go behave like this. Soma, you get serious girlfriend wey be don't date with you for 5 years, the years wasted, you just break up with her without any closure for national television. Likewise, Angel get serious boyfriend. Angel come and follow Soma, break up with her own man, follow Soma go house. So the particular blogger wey they call QT Joes come out to cut us say Soma now he and Angel don't break up, and Soma don't go meet the girl family, ex-girlfriend family, say he won't marry the girl. For there, now the whole story can take boss out for internet space. So when Soma girlfriend they call Hilda hear about the story to say Soma don't pay her bride price and all of that, she come out to come explain her 2 cents. Once she come out, come dey explain to say according to her, say she no wan come out to come talk about am anyways before, say but the way the thing they go, she go need to come out to come explain herself. Say she and Soma they don't break up for the longest time, and she don't stop to dey talk to Soma since July this year. Say but the boy he still reach out to her for August when people they drag am for Twitter, accusing him of the girl, his ex-girlfriend Hilda, being the obstacle where be say dey for a relationship with Angel. To the Hilda girl, she say at some point, say true she and Soma they continue to talk after the show. They even still they do shukuli after the show and all of that, but now as a result of the way Soma they stalk her both for her office, now they beg her up and down to forgive and to take him back. The aggressive attitude so far since he come out from the Big Brother show. Mother explained to say she blame herself for not coming out on time to contact people to say see waiting down the sub since all this while, where we say people they point a guilty finger towards her. According to her fans, shippers, Angel fans, Soma fans, all of them they choke her since they harass her, constant harassment online. Don't welcome push her to come out to come they talk all this thing. Now the fact say she wake up yesterday morning, come they see people they tag her for Twitter. They say she thief bracelet or say na cat collar. Regarding that in cat collar where Angel they talk about, the girl actually wear am for a recent interview where we say she do, and Soma fans and Angel fans together with shippers they see the bracelet for the girl hand. People come they speculate or say thing where we say Angel give Soma carry and go give his ex-girlfriend. Either come they explain to say the truth be say she not thief the bracelet. Say if true the bracelet was stolen, say na Soma na thief am because the thing na Soma na give her the bracelet. Further explain to say fans say they drag her, make they go ask Soma say wetin happen for her own house April this year. She says Soma drug her, tie her, beat her and smash her phone. Now wetin don they do all these years where they did for the relationship. People wey say they lie, say na only 1 year. Go read the girl chat. Even we don't they hear the story since. Soma don they talk and since. Say na since see go be now don't they date that girl. Count the years till now. The girl come further conclude the statement saying to say Soma na two-faced person and the guy they very manipulative. The reason why she never come out to come speak since now because Soma family, her mama, sister, all of them they always call her the harassment, make she not talk so that they don't go defame Soma, make they not paint Soma as a bad person for public eye. Even Revita say again one day where we say Soma rough handle her, push her head against a wall, bruising her lips, and na Soma friend I come back and to say make she not talk. No, Soma mama was in support of her, not saying anything concerning that particular incident. So Angel come out yesterday for Twitter space to come explain her own side of the story. Me for one, I was hoping that if Angel come out to come talk, she go just tell us her own side of the story. No, Angel concentrates on the ex-girlfriend wey be say be Hilda. Now wetin I not support for wetin Angel do. Angel come out to come reveal to say well, say she not ask Soma to do anything to Hilda. According to her, she dey blame Hilda, say Hilda friends they always harass her, Hilda friends they threaten her, Hilda friends they call her names like prostitute and all of that. Further I throw a question at Hilda, asking Hilda, say what if she herself will be Angel suffer the same thing from Soma? Why be say na she everybody they point a finger at, say na she be the cause of everything? The truth be said, since Angel come out from Big Brother house, since Shine Your Eye season, that girl never get peace from BBNaija fans hand. They don't the drag Ghana from one insult to another. Fine, we know say the girl not the dress well, but this is getting out of hand. This particular scenario between Soma, Angel, and his ex-girlfriend, the three of them, I blame the three of them, but Hilda is more of a victim to me than the rest of them. Me, right from time, I not say Soma, there's something about that guy that is very dark. Sorry to say. We all see how Somati manipulate all of us for inside Big Brother house, manipulate the fellow housemates, manipulate Angel. The guy is a gaslighter. Maybe say every Monday eviction, he go start to dey cry, pretending. The boy can do anything for fame and money. Now so it just be for where Soma the folk. Now blind people now not go see say Soma has always been like that. For Angel, on the other hand, to me, I believe Angel just won't find true love. And not be her fault say she dey meet people where be say no love her. The only man where be say try to love her the way she like that time. The man don't buy. God rest his soul. But why I not support Angel for this thing, be say Angel, you know to say this guy in a 5 years relationship. What it make you feel say you dey special? 5 years not be 5 days. These two people, they don't get a lot of history. You know how many times they go don't break up, come back together within that 5 years. You go shook your head for them, and you see say the guy break up with the 5 years relationship girl for stage. You know even to me you call the boy to say, okay guys, see I be woman too, not one like this. So you get the way they do all this type of thing. But you come for Twitter spaces, they say don't owe her any loyalty. Like yeah, even if you not owe the girl loyalty, you owe humanity loyalty. She's a human. First of all, see her as a human before you see her as Soma ex-girlfriend. Of course, come outside to say you know owe person this, you know owe person. The world not go dey the way it did. Let's be accountable for our actions. So with everything where we say they go on, BBNaija fans come out to come give Angel better woto for that statement where we say she makes say she not owe the girl any loyalty. So I'm gonna listen to it they talk for herself.
I added to Jumbo too. He said he smashed her phone. That he smashed her phone and stalked her. I added it to Jumbo.
Like Soma has been harassing this Hilda person as well. The Hilda girl has been getting harassed. She's been getting calls, random texts.
BHQ, do you know what people want us to focus on? They want us to focus on the fact that the guy was publicly flaunting Angel. Why was the girl still with him?
Exactly.
So they want us to be dragging her for that.
Dragging her for still being with her. That's stupid now.
That's stupid.
Should we not teach you people what toxic relationship is? Like, I beg. You come and say it's because you were with him that was beating you. Be blaming the girl for being beaten.
Nonsense. Fans supporting her. Manhunter. We should come and drag Hilda for what? Why should we drag her? Are you not supposed to drag the man? Why should you always drag the women?
Somebody is beating her up, tying her, dragging her, following her, stalking her, harassing her, and then you want to tell us why she's still with him.
Why is still with her?
That's not even. That's rubbish. Why is he beating her? That should be the question you are asking. Why are you beating the lady? Why are you harassing her? Why are you stalking her?
Why are you going to her workplace?
Why are you going to her workplace? Why are you sending your mother to call her? Why are you sending your sisters to call her after you guys are stopping together?
Why did you tie her? Why did you drug her?
Why did you drug her? Why did you bruise her face? Why did you do all of those things?
The face one. God, I
hate drugging somebody and be beating the person up for what now?
We told you people stop shipping rubbish.
They saw what he did in the house when he was drunk, and they still continue shipping rubbish.
Whereas Angel is the actual third party, if we have to be honest.
The girl says she's always receiving phone calls too. People have been dragging her family.
She said that the shippers have been dragging her, that he lies to shippers, and then they will come and be dragging her, harassing her.
I believe that girl because I know the way these stupid Big Brother Naija shippers, the way they behave. They behave as if they lack love.
They are stalkers too.
They will be telling the girl. I'm sure they might even have told her, let's pay you off, leave Soma for Angel. That is how stupid.
There was a tweet about it. Somebody made a tweet that time when the show was going on. The tweet said, what is it? Soma's girlfriend. Oh yeah, leave. How much will we pay you to leave Soma? Somebody made a tweet.
You people will be shipping rubbish and be telling the men, the women in those men's life to leave them alone for your stupid face. How do you sleep at night? Are you people dumb or what? You don't have relationship, or are you not married? That is the same way your husband will leave you alone for side chicks. If you don't stop this nonsense behavior that you people used to do. During the show, everybody has been saying it during the show. Soma has a girlfriend. Soma has a serious relationship for 5 years. But you were still shipping. What are you shipping? What are you people always? Why do you like to ship nonsense? Why? I will not be surprised. These people will come and post this. They will come and post Christmas pictures. The boy is going to. They will still come and post Christmas pictures.
So after all those plenty conversation within fans, Angel come and say, it is Angel always. I have already accepted that the only time I will be loved is when I actually buy. This your statement seem very corny and manipulative to me, because I not say reason why you go feel say nobody like you. All your fans, how they see them, anybody will come for you, they always drag the person, they always insult the person. So all the love where your fans they show you, since are you telling me that their own love not matter? Now the one where haters talk, now you won't dwell on. Talking from start, say Soma and Angel, their relationship was never real. That's why I say may they enjoy why it lasts. Everything where be say they do. Angel, it might be genuine for Angel, but for Soma, it was lost and for she pass money. Same time BBNaija realized to say BBN not be love show, and even Love Island couples they break up too. Both Angel and the Hida, they don't finally reject Soma. Hida, according to her, says, I'm not involved with anyone. I am definitely not interested in marrying that person. God forbid. Angel, on the other hand, come out openly for Twitter space to say she and Soma, they are not together anymore. They are not in speaking terms. She have blocked him. Everybody don't block each other. We move regardless. The Hilda girl, on the other hand, she too not dey innocent. After all the public shenanigans wey be say Soma and Angel do, the embarrassment on stage, you still can't go accept that boy when he come out. Also, her Angel, it dey very difficult for Angel to accept a man into her life. Soma can't do that, get that type of thing. I just feel like make she stay strong, make she and the Hilda stay strong. Now Soma might be the villain here, if we want to be honest. And this not because he's the man. I actually toyed with these two women. That's why I like Adekunle. I see they talk until tomorrow. Adekunle, now the best thing will come out from Big Brother. But Nigerians no one hear all those ones. They refuse to lead any woman on, or because of Shipa's gift. Him and Tabang, for the history of Big Brother, those two people, now people will be say standards for the history of Big Brother for me. Wish Angel and Hida were, may God help them to overcome this heartbreak where be say man use two of them to do. Now take care, now bye.